In the dry, open deserts of New Mexico lived a cowboy named Luke Remington. He wasn't known for winning rodeos or riding wild horses. He was known for one thing. He never broke a promise. Luke grew up poor on a rundown ranch. His father worked the land until the sun burned the sky red, and one night, as he lay sick on his bed, he told Luke, "Promise me, no matter what this life takes from you, you won't stop moving forward." A week later, his father passed away. The ranch started falling apart. Bills piled up. People offered to buy the land for cheap. Everyone expected Luke to walk away, but he remembered the promise. So Luke worked 3 jobs: ranch hand by morning, mechanic by afternoon, and night guard after sunset. He barely slept. He barely ate. But every time he felt like quitting, he whispered the words his father left him. "Don't stop moving forward." Years passed and storms hit the ranch, real storms and the storms of life. A drought ruined half the crops, a fire burned the barn down, a tornado tore down the fences. People said, "Luke, you've lost too much, just give up." But Luke stood there, hands on his belt buckle, dust on his boots, and answered softly, "A promise is a promise." That one fall morning, after years of hard work, sunrises, sweat, and heartbreak, the ranch began to bloom again. Grass grew greener. Cattle returned. A new barn stood strong. The land breathed again. Luke didn't just save the ranch. He kept his father's last wish alive. And he became living proof that sometimes you don't need strength or luck or talent. You just need to keep moving.